Hi guys, and welcome to Hatch tutorial. In today's video I'll be showing you how to create a QR code easily using Canva.com. So now I'm in my Canva account. Let's go to create a QR code, go create a design, and I'll choose this logo. So now I'm here to create a QR code. So I'll go to the here QR code. Then I'll just put a link in here. So any link that you want to create a QR code, just enter in here the URL. So I'll go and I want to create for my YouTube video. So I'll just copy the link. I'll go back to my Canva account, enter the link URL, then generate a code, and that's it, the QR code. And I can share this one to my social account, so if people will scan this QR code, they will go directly to my YouTube video. So now just download it, go to download and then download as PNG. Okay, it's already downloaded. Let's check it. Okay, that's the QR code I just created. So I think that's all for today, and if you don't have yet a Canva account, I'll just leave the link in the description down below. And if you could kindly like our video and subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you, and see you in the next video.